138.31 pesos Ghana cedis a day. So how to make 100 cedis plus a day as a Glovo delivery or courier guy in Ghana? First of all, you go to your browser, you type in Glovo rider. The options will come. So you select the first one. It says no experience required. Do you want to be a courier? So all you need is a motorbike, a licensed motorbike, and a smartphone. So I select become a courier. So in other language, become a delivery guy. So follow these steps very carefully in order for you to earn 100 cedis plus a day. So when it opens, you need to fill out the form to start delivering. First of all, the name, then the email, the number, the city, the vehicle. For you to sign up, I just type in any example over there for you to know how it's done. So it's very simple and easy. I select Kumasi, the vehicle, I select motorbike. You can use a car, a bicycle. So I select motorbike. I'm using motorbike. And then I type in any random number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I add 0. And I type in any name, maybe the email, let's say. Ghana@gmail.com. And the name. Your name. You type in your name there. Then you select sign up. It's very simple. Follow this procedure and start earning money. I'm not using real information, so the sign up will not be authenticated. So if you go to this web page, use the right information, and then you'll be able to sign up. So here it says what to expect from the app. So become a courier. What you need is you have to be 18 or older. You need a vehicle, whether a motorbike or a car. You need a valid identification, a Ghana card or voter ID. You have to use the Ghana card. So it's just simple procedure. You fill in the form, you log in, and then you deliver orders. And if you can't do it, I'll just have to send you my referral code, then you log in with it. Then I bring you to the Glovo office, then you start earning money. It's very simple. You have to get a registered motorbike with a valid license, and then a smartphone, whether Android or iPhone. You can use it to do this delivery. It's very convenient and easy, earning 100 cedis plus a day. So these are the questions that are frequently asked. What do you need to start delivering using Glovo? How long does the registration process take? How do I get my earnings? And why should I register as a delivery driver in Glovo? So follow these simple steps and then you are good to go. So after this, I'm going to show you how to download the app. If you are using iPhone, you go to App Store. But if you are using Android, you go to Play Store. You go there and then you follow this simple procedure and you download the delivery app. We have the food app, the one that they use, the regular one for ordering food, and then the delivery app, which is what I'm going to show you. So you type in Glovo. After typing, you see the regular food delivery app will show up. That's not the one. You go down, then you see the delivery app there. I've already downloaded mine, so I'll just select open, and you see how it looks like. So it's very simple to use. If you want to be part of this team, just comment below. Let me send you my referral code, then you start earning money. Start earning 100 plus cedis a day. So in a month, it's like about 3,000 Ghana.